All organizations and industries have been rethinking and redefining their strategies. As such, this year's theme for World Tourism Day, Rethinking Tourism, is timely and very much a part of the strategic focus here at the agency. Travelers are demanding more from destinations in terms of experience, competition among destinations is even more intense, and tourism business models have become hyper-digitalized. In the midst of all of that, there exists a number of exciting opportunities for the agency, which we fully intend to take advantage of. One, we are focusing on reassessing our marketing strategies by rationalizing airlift and realigning our market focus. We intend to pay more focus on the domestic and diaspora market based on the lessons coming out of COVID. Two, we plan to have greater stakeholder in participation and collaboration as a means of raising industry standards and focusing on building sustainability into the island's tourism product. And finally, we want to amplify the Tobago Beyond Ordinary brand by focusing on messaging that is more authentically Tobagoan.
The tourism product that we offer is largely nature-based, and this makes us vulnerable to the impacts of climate change and associated negative environmental externalities. Accordingly, we all have a responsibility to be good stewards of the environment in support of a sustainable future. And it is in this context that programs like the Man and the Biosphere program can help us to secure a sustainable future by conserving the natural gifts with which we have been so bountifully blessed, while at the same time providing sustainable employment and sustainable livelihoods well into the future in the tourism sector and associated sectors.
I want to say that media and technology have made the world a global village. We are not exaggerating. Some may think we are, or they may think it's cliche, but really and truly it's not. When we look at the impact that media and technology have had on the tourism sector, they have really been a game changer in the entire industry. Bringing it closer to home, when we look at the impact on destination Tobago, we have to see ourselves, each Tobagonian, as an ambassador. Given the impact that a simple video, a simple graphic can have, and the far-reaching effects of any of these media content could have, we have to look at ourselves as ambassadors, each and every Tobagonian. Our media content can make the difference between someone choosing us or someone choosing another island or another destination. It is as simple as that.
Tourism is the business of all of us in Tobago, and at the agency, we pledge not just on this World Tourism Day, but every day to make tourism the most profitable business that you can do.